Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on this festive season of Diwali. Jalebis are always my favorite, especially the ones that we get in Kerala, which are dipped in jaggery syrup. So let's prepare it. You may prepare jalebis with flour like my previous video, but here I have used 1 cup urad dal. Washed it well and soaked in filtered water so that I could use the same water while grinding. Now you'll have to melt jaggery. Here I've used 300 grams of jaggery. Added around 1 to 1.5 cup of water to melt. Meanwhile, grind the urad dal, adding very little water. Make it to a very smooth paste. Add it into a bowl. Don't forget to check out the jaggery in between. The jaggery is completely melted, just straining the jaggery to remove the impurities. Add that back into the vessel and keep on low flame until the syrup becomes a little bit thick. Now heat vegetable oil in a frying pan. The urad dal is a bit thick, so adding little water to make it to a dosa batter consistency. Once the jaggery is a bit thick, off the flame. To the batter, adding 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, just sifting it to remove lumps. Adding 3 tablespoons of cornstarch or corn flour and mix, adding some water if needed. Now you need to whisk it for at least 5 minutes. For easy way, whisk it with your palm. Here I am using a Ziploc bag to shape the jalebis. You may use a bottle too. I like thin jalebis as it becomes more crispier. This was the first batch and I was trying out different shapes. Let it cook and become crispy. Then soon after that, add to the jaggery syrup. Let it rest in the syrup for at least 5 minutes. Only then the jalebis would suck up the syrup well. In Kerala, we get the jalebis more thick, so the later ones I prepared it that way. And that's ready. Do try it out and don't forget to check out my other Diwali recipes. See you soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.